Let me show you this angle steel sample we just pulled from the warehouse. First thing you notice, how smooth these edges are. Run your finger along them, no rough spots, no burrs. That's a game changer for construction or machinery brackets. Why will you weld? These clean edges lock tight immediately. No wasted time grinding down uneven parts. Saves your team 20% on prep work alone. And let's talk about strength. Watch this. It's not just tough, it's tested. Every batch goes through 30,000 Newton stress tests. That means it handles 3 plus the load of the standard angle steel, whether it's supporting a 2-ton steel beam or reinforcing a factory machine frame. Notice how it lines up perfectly with this square? That 90-degree precision is within 0.5 millimeter. Critical for projects where measurements can't be off. We've got sizes from 25 plus 25 mm for light brackets up to 100 plus 100 mm, 10 mm thick for industrial rigs, all with this same tight tolerance. Our construction and manufacturing clients keep coming back because this consistency cuts their rework by half. Need a specific size? DM me your project details. Whether it's a 3 meter length for a shelf frame or 50 mm thickness for a bridge bracket, I'll send you a free sample so you can check the edges, test the strength, and see if it fits. No obligation, just want to make sure your project gets exactly what it needs.